Hi guys, my name is Michael Stillwell and I am the student coordinator here at the Piano Technician Academy. And today I want to address a question that I get a lot. People always ask us, can I take this course from Australia, or can I take this course from Germany, or from wherever they are? Absolutely you can. We are an online school. We have students all over the world. Only about 60% of our students are actually even in the United States. We have students in Australia, even Africa, Canada, South America, all over the UK, Asia, Russia, literally all over. We've had a ton in Ireland for some reason recently. But if you guys have any questions about where you can take the course from, just know that if you have the internet, you can take the course from wherever you are. That's the beauty of having an online piano tuning and repair school. You also have instant access to your instructors via email or phone. The phone thing is a little bit hard when you're in a different time zone and it may be 2:30 in the morning our time and whatever 8 a.m. your time, but in general you can always leave a message and we'll get back to you. Our mission is to teach you wherever you are to get into this amazing trade called piano tuning. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to shoot me an email at michael@pianotechnicianacademy.com. Thanks for watching, guys.